Hi guys, welcome to my code channel. Today we are going to see about a Java program, how to read and print an integer value in Java. So let me start this. So I will be creating a package with example one. Let us see new future programming videos one by one, and we will be seeing every videos here. So let me put a class name read underscore and underscore print. Yes. Let me finish this. Okay, first I'm going to type this main function. This should be string. Okay, array args. Then I'm going to declare a variable. So this should be int number. Then I'm going to print this value. Enter the value or a integer. Let me close this by semicolon. So let me create a scanner object here from the scanner class. Scanner. Yes, see equal to new scanner of system.in. So there is an error showing we need to import a scanner class from the scanner object from the util package. So I have been created. So let me assign this number value with the scanner class with next int. So next int is nothing but it will be read the values from the next line. So let me print this. What are the values which we are typing? System.out.println. The entered uh, integer or a value or value is plus this. I'm assigning this value to be printed here. So I need to close this scanner class here. So this should be SC. So let me run this program. So enter the value. It should be, if I enter the 12, the entered value is 12. It's really a easy program. And let us see the new programs in this upcoming videos. And we will be trying every set of programs which each and every types of lines, and we will be doing it. So thank you. Just like and subscribe this channel.